Sexual harassment in the workplace is never acceptable.
It's not harmless, it's not banter.
It's never just a laugh.
It's wrong, and together,
We are taking a stand to stop it.
The impact of sexual harassment on people is absolutely devastating.
We understand how serious and how traumatic it is.
When I was 16, I was sexually harassed in the workplace. So now, as a union rep, it is a passion of mine that we end sexual harassment.
Reporting sexual harassment in the workplace can be really difficult.
You might not feel you'll be believed. You might feel your job will be at risk.
And that's where trade unions come in. We're here to help, we're here to listen.
That you will be believed.
you will be supported.
We will be there and ally by your side every step of the way.
Yn ddiweddar, mae hawliau gweithwyr wedi newid. Mae bellach yn rhan o gyfraith y Deyrnas Unedig bod rhaid i gyflogwyr gymryd camau rhesymol I atal aflonyddu rhywiol yn y gwaith.
The law is a massive win for workers, but unfortunately we know that sexual harassment still happens every day.
If somebody's behaviour makes you feel uncomfortable, report it.
Whether it's something that's happened in the past or a current issue,
If something doesn't sound right, doesn't feel right,
trust your gut.
get in contact with your union.
As unions, we're trying to make Wales the safest place to work, and we need your report in order to make that change.
Together we say zero tolerance.
We'll support you.
We will support you.
We will support you.